Hey everybody, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the I Made Something from the Trash series. If you missed any of the videos in this series, I'll link them here. I'm going to quit jabbering away and let's get inside and I'll meet you at the craft table. Hey everybody, welcome to the grand reveal. We're going to get this last flap done and then I'm going to show you everything in here. Alright, this pedal's a little touchy. There we go. We got this piece all sewn on and check it out. So I just put this over the stitches and you know, I kind of did some Franken stitches here, but I'm not going to worry about it. This is the grand reveal. We're going to use the Crop-A-Dile Big Bite in just a minute. And so let's get going. I want to show you everything that we've got. Absolutely need to have something like this with you. Got our little hand sanitizer. This one, I've got a little tape measure. And then these are the things that I added. This is some of that Bazille paper, very thick, and it's a solid core paper. Then I just made it so that it'll pop back and forth here. And then here's our eyeglass repair kit. So I added these letters here, glasses, again, from the Sublime set. And then we've just got, you know, the little screwdriver and the little screws and the magnifying glass. This one, you know, it's so easy. We've got all the corny jokes here at Making Melody Crafts. We've got the thread on our little bobbins. I just made some paper bobbins, tossed that in there. It's about 9 or 10 feet of thread. And please be careful when you're using anything sharp or working with anything like that. All right, then we've got our stamps. So I've already used some of these, so I had to add more in here. And then I just added these. And then on this one, I added the word wisdom. This is our gum. I added that sticker because I thought it was cute. All right, so we're on to the tissues. I thought at you was a great clue for what we've got in that pocket. This is from one of the Tim Holtz word collections. This one is Ideology Small Talk. And then the pen. Now let's flip it over for what we have on the other side. So we've got an emery board. Remember what was in this one? You got it, Band-Aids. This is gonna be the actual back. We've got more pockets to show you. We'll get to that in a second. And then this one has the note paper, added the hello down here at the bottom. Okay, now the next one. So I've got about 5 hair ties in here. So it says Wild Thing. I thought that was funny because, like, you know, my hair is sometimes out of control. Over here, we've got moments like this. I added that in. I thought it was fun. More Franken stitches. It's how I roll. And then here we have our tape card. So let's slide the tape into here. And now let's keep going. So now we've got our pen on the back. Now, before I go any further, let's go ahead and get the closure on here. So because of the way this is, it's quite bulging, right? You know, it's almost like your junk journals. I've got the Crop-A-Dile on the 3/16. That's good because this is the ribbon that I'm gonna be using. It's kind of like a cord, but it's satin. So I think that's gonna work pretty well for what I want. And so this is how this works. So for this specific leaflet or pamphlet, it's already pre-folded like this, so I didn't wanna fight the folds that they already had there. These 6 pockets or 3 panels fold into this, then this one folds over. So let me show it to you like this now. So again, here's the front, then this unfolds, then you have these panels that fold out this way, like that. Pretty cool, right? So this also has a guide. This has a 6-inch reach. This tool can be a little intimidating. I have a video all about it, and it's a short, so it's only a 60-second video, and it's just kind of an overview of the Crop-A-Dile Big Bite. It is super strong, so I think we're ready to go. Let's get down. We're through it. It's a pretty awesome tool, so do check out that video. I will link that here. It's informative and a fast-paced video, so I hope you enjoy it. You know, so many times in the clearance section at stores, I find wonderful things. So if you're looking for different things to use for your different craft projects or around the house, I don't know, check out those clearance spots. You really just, I can't beat it sometimes because there's just wonderful things there that have just been clearanced out. If I do it like this, that's kind of going to hold the hand sanitizer bottle in. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? Okay, so I got my first knot. Let's tie our bow and we're good to go. We got all the rhymes here today at Making Melody Crafts. So I've got this dog that we are watching, that we're pet sitting. He is at my feet. He's just adorable. But there you have it. So we have our On the Go Survival Kit. Oh my gosh, I have enjoyed doing this series so much. If you have enjoyed this video, if you've found some value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and just hit that little subscribe button. And it is free, by the way. It costs nothing. And I'll catch you later.